Okay, what do you have? Anyone have an answer yet? Very good, very good. Negative 2x squared. Yeah, minus 8. So let me do it slowly. Negative 2x times x plus negative 2x times 4. I'm just doing it slowly. So negative 2x times x is negative 4x squared. I'm sorry, negative 2x squared. Yes. And then plus and minus become minus, so minus ax. On the exam, you don't have to show me the step. Good enough, you can just go ahead and show me the. C. Anyone have an answer for C? Mm-hmm. Minus 12x squared, and then plus 24x. Mm-hmm. Very good, thank you. To the third. Yeah. Mm-hmm. This is x to the first, right? X to the first. X to the first time x squared, x to the third. X to the first time x to the first x squared. Right, you guys try D. See how you got D. Anyone have an answer? Yes, go ahead. Hang on. So like you guys have the same thing? Yeah. Right. So you okay with this? I know that I'm a little fast on this part. I'm afraid the more I write, the more confused I create. Confusion I create. E. It should be pretty straightforward. E. Four times 2 is 8, right? So I'm gonna multiply first of all UV times 2U squared. So 8, oops, I meant red. And then U to the first, right here is U to the first. V to the first. U to the first time U squared is U cube. Sorry, that's my number 3. And then V to the first is V to the first. 4 times negative 5, that's negative 20. U to the first time U to the first is U squared. And then V to the first time V to the first is V squared. And then the last one, there's no number. So basically like 1 here, right? 4 times 1 is still 1. So positive 4. U to the first is U to the first, because I don't have anything to multiply to it with. And V to the first time V squared is V cubed. Do you have any question for this one? That's a little bit hairy. Am I writing in descending order? Yes, I do. So u cubed, u squared, v to the first. Okay. F a little bit not too complicated, but it's just slightly bit more. But I'm gonna do it slow. So same thing. I'm gonna distribute the one term outside to everybody. Well, I'm gonna do it slow here. Negative 2/5 x to the 4 times 15x to the 6. 15, instead of writing 15, I can write it 15/1. Is that okay? Yeah. And then minus 2/5 I'm gonna do plus here. Plus minus 2/5 x to the 4 times negative 5 x to the 12. So far so good. Just do one term at a time. Plus minus 2/5 x to the 4 times 10 x to the 10. Notice that because the number is positive, I don't need parentheses here or here. If it's negative, you don't have to, but the reason I'm doing this is multiplication, it's not subtraction. That's the opposite sign, not minus sign, if that makes sense. And for the number integer, I'm gonna put it over 1, just over 1. All right, simplify. 15 divided by 5 is, 3 here and then 1 here. So I got negative 2. And then x to the 4, x to the 6 is x to the 10. Right, so 1 down, 2 more to go. The next term, do you think it's going to be a negative term or positive? Positive, right? Positive, and then 2 negative become positive. So, and then time positive, so positive. So plus this one, oops, sorry. This one cancel with this one, so just 1 there, right? So 2 x to the what? 16, thank you. The last term, negative or positive? Negative. And then I have this one, cancel with this one. Yeah, so 2 here, so 2 times 2 is 4, negative 4, and x to the 14. Am I done here? Yes. Let me see. The first term. Oh yes. Sorry, I forgot to multiply by the 3. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Let's speak up. Worst case, I yell at you. I'm kidding. That could be embarrassing. I'm kidding. Yeah, just let me know. It's easier for you to look up from from far away than me up close. Am I done yet? Why? Yeah, you need to write in standard form, which is descending order. So x to the 16 first. So 2x to the 16 minus 4x to the 14 minus 6x to the 10. Oh, now it comes. You try. All right, you try. 4x times quantity of 2x squared minus 5x plus 9. Kind of checks. Scared. Oh, you try number 1, September 14. Okay. You are allowed 2 attempts. Seven. I think we'll be able to finish this today. Can I start? Do we need more time? Oh, yeah. F.
Yep.
Make it bigger.
I just can't see because of the sign up. Press X.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I noticed that when I zoom out to right, right, when I zoom back in the normal, it looks smaller. Sorry. Okay, objective 2. Now a little bit harder. Binomial times binomial. Well, you guys kind of know this before in high school. If I have 2 binomials multiply to each other, what's the result? How many terms do I have at the end? Trinomial, right? Trinomial. Remember FOIL? FOIL. So FOIL. First, outer, inner, and last. The outer and the inner, you can combine them. That's why there's only 3. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Depend on what should I give you. Yeah, you can combine. But let's see what happened. Let's void this one. So first, 2x times x is 2x squared. And then outer, 2x times 7 is 14x. And then inner, thank you, negative 3x. And last, negative 27. 21. 21. And what can I do with the middle terms? Yeah, we combine them. This one and this one. So 2x squared plus, yes, go ahead. The third, that's the third term.
Yeah, the times x.
Negative 3 times x is negative 3x.
How did you get negative 3x on the first one you got to x squared?
2x times x is 2x squared. Scrap works, so 2x times x. Yeah, 2x squared. Hmm?
Why doesn't that work?
You mean combine them?
No,
Or
the y.
because the 3 doesn't only have 1 x. It's good to ask. It's good to speak it out loud. Sometimes things so obvious, but then everybody has different things in your head. Now, let me remind you, when you combine 2 like terms, I see a lot of people asking me, do I add the exponents as well? No, you don't. You leave them alone. All you do is, what do? you combine the coefficient, the number in front. The only thing you ask exponent is when, what do? You multiply them. Yeah. You try, okay, I got ahead of myself. I'm supposed to teach you the FOIL for the objective 2B. For objective 2A, I'm supposed to teach you a slightly different way. So let me show you a different way for B, okay? On the exam, I'm probably sure you use FOIL, but let me teach you a distributive property. So I'm gonna put a little note here. Use distributive properties. All right. So what do I mean by this? I'm gonna keep the second binomial, and then I multiply for each of the factors for the first binomial. So say 10x times 6x plus 3y, and then plus 4y times 6x plus 3y. You know what I mean by that? So into different colors here. Dark green. Example will be this. If I have 3 plus 2 times 6 plus 3, I can write it like this. Well, this is easy. You can add the 3 and the 2 and 6, the 3, and then you time. But one way I can do this is I can, let me move this to the left a little bit because I don't have enough space. Three times 6 plus 3 plus 2 times 6 plus 3. I can do that, right? It's called distributive. You distribute the first factor of the first binomial to the second binomial. That's what I did here. 10x times 6x is 60x squared. Right? 10x times 3y, 30xy. 4y times 6x, xy. And then 4y plus 3y. Yeah, it's the same thing. You're gonna combine the middle term regardless. So 60x squared plus 54xy plus 12y squared. It's a longer method compared to FOIL. Which one you like better, FOIL or distributive? The first one. I prefer first one, especially when you go high math. Nobody do that anymore. It's distributive. All right, number 3, I want you to use the FOIL. Three x times 2x is 6x squared. That's first outer. 3x times 1 is 3x. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. And last, negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Combine like term. 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. here's the deal. I don't want to keep like not finishing the section because I need to catch up because of the exam. What I'm going to do today is we're going to try to finish up to you try to. Is that okay? And then for objective 3, I'm going to make a little mini video at home, and then you're supposed to watch it on my YouTube channel. Is that all right? And then you try 3. No restriction. I'm not gonna put restriction. Well, finish it before Friday, of course. But you can do it at home. You try 3, okay? I'll give you the question, and you do it at home, and I'll make it non-restriction or restriction up to Friday. Sounds good? All right. Okay. Let's do B. Let's do B. This one a little bit backward. 3 times 5 is 15. Thank you. 3 times negative x. Thank you. And then negative x times 5. Negative 5x. Thank you, ladies. Negative x times negative x. Negative x times negative x. Positive x squared. X squared. Combine like term. 15 minus 8x plus x squared. Am I done here? No, descending order, right? So x squared minus 8x plus 15. I want you to try D at home. We're gonna do C. I'll give you like a minute ahead. Let's see. We're almost done. We're almost done. I promise. We'll be fine. What do you have for C? X squared times 3x is 3x cubed. X squared times 4. 4x squared. Negative 5 times 3x. Negative 15x. And then last one, negative 5 times 4. Thank you. All. Oh, minus. Minus 20. Can I combine like term? No, right? This one's special. Usually we combine the middles. So I guess you not always combine the outer and inner. That's why I was a little hesitate earlier. We almost done, I promise. Oh, this they're not like term. So order 3, order 2, order 1. Yeah, they're not like term. Okay. Because of the department, I have to show you the vertical method. I don't like it at all, and I'm gonna show it to you and say why I don't like it. On the exam, I don't think they're gonna ask you what method you're gonna use. It's up to you, right? So, but because of the department requirement, I need to show it to you, but you don't ever have to use it if you don't want to. All right. So what I'm going to do is like this. Oh, I'm gonna keep the first binomial. Oops, make it a little bigger. This one, and we have you try and we done. So I'm gonna keep that and then multiply. I'm gonna multiply x squared minus 5 by 4 first, by that number 4, by this number 4. And then I do the same thing. I'm gonna multiply x squared minus 5 by 3x. This one right here. Right, so let's do that vertically. So x squared minus 5. X squared minus 5 up like that. And down here, I'm gonna put 3x plus 4. So far, so good. Haven't done anything yet. Yeah. I haven't done anything to explain it to you. I'm gonna multiply the 4 to be 2. like distributed properly. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. That's what I do. Four times negative 5 is, leave a little space in between, negative 20. And you see why. Now, the next one, I'm going to take 3x, same thing, 3x times x squared minus 5. So 3x times x squared. What is that? What 3x times x squared? Yeah, 3x to the third power. And then 3x times negative 5. 3x times negative 5. Yeah, thank you. Negative 15x. You see why I leave a little space? And now you add. There's nothing above here to add the x cubed, so basically 0, right? So that basically that is like 0 plus, and then plus 0 here as well. Right? Whatever you don't see the empty space is plus 0. So add vertically, I have 3x cubed. That's why I leave a little space, right? It's missing the power. Plus 4x squared minus 15x minus 20. Do you like it? No. I'm not gonna do B because they're not required you to do. Okay, you try to suggest you do FOIL. 7x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. When you're done, you can leave. Yes, you try to September 14. And I will extend you try 3 for you when I'm free. At home, you do at home. I'll extend it for you. Right now it's closed. I don't want you to touch it. Because once you touch it, I cannot edit it. Oh, by the way, if you have problem with Elta Newton, let me know, please. Okay? So I can fix it. Bye, see you.